Guys, welcome back. This is today and actually it's and today's topic is really interesting. So let's begin to today's video. Today we are gonna discuss on uh really interesting topic which is related to the Ambanis. So let's begin. So the most important thing. We all of us knows about Mukesh Ambani that he is the billionaire. But did you know what happens with the Anil Ambani, the little brother of Mukesh Ambani? So today we're gonna discuss about him, about his success life also and unsuccess life also. So let's begin. So the most important thing, when the Dhirubhai Ambani get died, then he gives then their moms gives them some companies to to uh, to work on that companies, but after some time the Anil Ambani wants to create a new business, and they started they started the cinema halls, but it doesn't work. And after that they again started something new business, and after that they just they just doing new business, and it's getting destroyed. And their own family business also getting destroyed because they were not looking at their family business, and they were searching for new business. And they were just searching for new business, and they were creating the new business, and that's why they couldn't see at their family business, and that's why their business get destroyed. And after some time they once again get from billionaire they get the zeroer. And after that when their mom gives them the real partition of company with the papers, the officially they announce that the partition of companies, she has one contract that after till 10 year no one could talk about this contract. And this was the amazing. And after that they just doing work on their companies in 10 years. Anil Ambani also works on it, but after 10 years he again gets started to make his own business. And once again he get fail, and uh, he never get success because he doesn't have a lot of much knowledge about the businesses, and which businesses he started. He doesn't have the knowledge about it, and that's why he couldn't get success into that in that business. And that's why his all dream get destroyed. But he can't stop that, and he keep starting. And after that they bring Geo in the India, and Geo is the amazing network, amazing 4G network. And after that they get success. And the most important thing which we knows about it, that a lot of people knows Mukesh Ambani, not Anil Ambani, because there is the real things, or the real family business is in the hands of Mukesh Ambani. And that's why he's a great, or the amazing businessman. Uh, the Tatas also the great businessmen, but Ambanis are billionaires. They are also billionaires, but we are talking about them, so we have to talk about them. It's good. So this was today's video. If you like today's video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.